Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to show you what I got in the mail. It was the rest of the ZL1 add-ons. It's the side skirts here. Side skirts, sorry, I went ahead and was already playing with these. I got the side skirts. I got the two rear extensions here. So what came in the box was this bag. I'll show you what all this is. Okay, so it's just gonna hold up the side skirts. So you get 2 big ones, and then you get 8 little ones. So you got your 4 and your 4. So I already went ahead and took this up to the car. Got the car right here, all parked up. See, and I already tried aligning it. So your first one's gonna go, here we go, it's right over here. So it's gonna go back behind this. Goes in perfect. I tried it right now, goes really smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and line it up. I need to clean the bottom of this little panel here really well. And yeah, hopefully we'll go ahead and get those thrown in tonight. All right, everyone, so it did wind up getting a little bit dark. I decided that I was gonna take the time to pinstripe these as well. And it's probably a lot easier for me to do it now that it's flimsy and flexible instead of lying on my back, trying to line it all the way across. So as you can tell, this one's already been pinstriped. Got that one good to go. And then I just need to work on the second one here. And tomorrow, come back in and just pop them right on. So if you're wondering what I'm using, it's this pinstripe little vinyl right here. Picked it up at O'Reilly's. A few bucks, under $5 for sure. So yeah, kind of anxious, waiting for tomorrow, see what the final product looks like. All right, everyone, so these got installed. They look great. I mean, they look really, really cool. They were able to sink in really nice. You tighten them up with the little Allen wrench. They are just right. The only thing that I do see that I may have to go fix is, you see that little chrome piece sticking out right there? So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take off the front ones, spray them down, you know, just with that high heat, some of that black Krylon. Yeah, just because, you know, you can kind of see it when you're walking up towards the car. Other than that, it looks beautiful. Thank you guys for watching.